Okay, guys, this is the first time you're going to see functions in your work. And I would say that functions is probably the hardest thing that you have to figure out in code.org and then CodeHS. So here's my best way to explain it. All right, so here's our program, and you have the Gravedigger. All she needs to do is step forward and fill in that hole. Now, before functions, you would take, fill one, and you would put 5 of them in there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, that's like 7 blocks. So we don't want to do that. Now, what the program did here for you for the first lesson is they've completed a function for you. So you're going to see function in here. It says fill 5. I've put one of those blocks over here. Okay, and then you also have this function bubble. Now, this function bubble does not go on your program. Okay, it doesn't fit anywhere. It doesn't have that little groove. It is a separate command. In other words, in programming, a function is creating something new that whatever you're trying to program didn't know before. It knows these actions. It doesn't know how to fill 5, so you have to define it. So what they did here is, look, fill 5. They use a repeat block. Notice it's gray, so I can't move it. Repeat, and then you put the fill 1 from the actions menu in there. 5 times 1 is 5. So because you created this function, you now have a command called fill 5. So the command goes into the program. And when you run the program, for this example, she'll move forward, and then you'll see, notice that fill 5 will pop up over here, and you'll see this move. This command connects to this function. One last note as you move forward with functions, and not in this example, but the more you can put into a function, the better or easier it will be to complete your program.